What is going on, YouTube fam? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're visiting a local Walmart on the hunt to see if they put anything different. Let's see what do we have here at the premiums. It looks like they stocked up on just trucks. It looks like they stocked up on the just trucks, guys. Got quite a bit. Hope you guys are having an awesome day, good day. As for me, I'm just back on the hunt. This one's pretty cool, the 57 Suburban. This is sweet, yo. Don't collect these, but they look pretty cool. In my opinion, anyways. See what we can find in here. King of Crunch. That's a cool truck. What else? Could this be the exclusive to Walmart? Not sure if this is a Chase. Oh, not sure if this is the Chase one. Always dropping stuff early in the morning. Can't go wrong, right? Pick that up. Pick them up real quick. But they're cool trucks, man. Heck yeah. See what else we can find. I'm not sure. I'm going to have to look that up. But, what else? They have some transporters that have been here for days. Kind of more. We've all seen that. I'm noticing they got some new these are the square body trucks. These are sweet, yo. Check it out. The 75 Chevrolet Silverado. Look at that, yo. It is pretty nice. Man, not sure if I want to get it. I don't really collect these bigger scales, but they're pretty cool looking. They also got the Silverado, the 75. That is nice. These are, like I said, the bigger scale. Looks like it took a little beat up at the end, but that's okay. They have another one in perfect condition right here. The box, everything's in perfect. It is a cool looking truck though, I'm not gonna lie. Here's the back of it. And very nice, yo, very nice. Do a little thumbnail, put it next to one, that would be cool. But yeah, they got some new trucks. They got some new ones, bigger ones. This is nice though. Very nice. Those are big. Sweet, sweet. There's the other one here. They got the Bel Air too. That's a cool one. Corvette. That's nice. Let's see what's hiding behind here. Just the NASCAR. But yeah, they got the. I don't know. A lot of people saying there's a Chase. The Batman's a Chase, but I don't know. Could be wrong. Looks like they stocked up on the pink slips. You get the Audi there. Get the Jeep Wrangler. There's some more there. What else? You got some more up here. The Jaguar. That's it. And they stocked up on the muscle machines. Man, they got quite a bit of them. See. Those are nice. That's a nice one, nice and shiny one. I don't see the MM though. That little MM there. That'd be nice to find it. What else? What else? Man, they stocked up the muscle machines. I do have a couple of chases of the muscle machines, but not too many. There's your haulers here. I got quite a bit of them. He's been sitting here at the Walmart for a while. Your little 64 scale. Cool. What else do they got here, guys? Fast and Furious. See, Hot Wheels skate decks, monster trucks. Just trucks, some more Fast and Furious 2-packs. Starships, tons of the starships. Tons of the mini, what is it, Matchbox Mini Cooper sets. Got tons of them, man. Peg warmers. Tons. Moving parts. There's a BMW. There's the Audi. The Tesla. Yeah, I got quite a bit of them. This is cool. BMW, Matchbox looking full. Tons of them, yo. Tons. Here's the Matchbox Tesla Model 3. That's pretty cool. There's the Land Rover. Yeah, these pegs are pretty cool. Jeep. This is nice. That's nice. That back there's Tesla. I love the paint job on that. There's a truck here. There's the Hot Wheels. We got some Hot Wheels. They look full of pegs. Full of pegs. See what we can see here. Yeah, we got the Baja Ambassador, Mustache, Hot Wheeler, Loopster, McLaren Baja, Mod Rod, Berkshire, Road Bandit, Fast Ballin, Rockin' Raider, Mustache, Al Segundo. Yeah, they already got nothing there. They got tons of cars here though. What is this? That's cool. But yeah, they got some 8-pack right there chilling. Some more 8-packs. Starting to see a lot of the 8-packs coming out with the new castings. It's pretty cool. But yeah, this is what they got, man. Yeah, they got some more up here moving parts. BMW, we got them right there. That's about it, man. That's all she wrote. Hope you guys enjoyed the little short video. Not sure if I want to pick up these trucks though. These are cool to see though. These are really cool to see. Do like them. I really do like them. This one's tight too. So, but yeah, thanks for watching. Take care. Collect what you love, and I'll see you guys around the corner. Take care, guys. Peace.